Hi all. I think a new golden chess era is approaching and it's being driven by Twitch. I think this is fantastic. Some online sites are now organizing tournaments for these very, very high profile, what I call Twitchers. So very, very big followings on Twitch. They were playing, usually before being introduced to chess, they were playing those games which required 3D rendering, huge hardware machines. So chess is like the South Park of all games. So I find it quite amusing that these very high profile Twitchers are playing each other on the chess battleground. So let's have a look at this game between xQc and MoistCr1tikal. When I say MoistCr1tikal, it's actually CR1TIKAL. So xQc is Felix Lengel, so he's better known by his online alias xQc, a French-Canadian Twitch streamer, internet personality and former professional Overwatch player who played for the Dallas Fuel in the Overwatch League for part of the inaugural season before being kind of released due to repeated controversy. His opponent here in this game is MoistCr1tikal, or Penguin Z0 on YouTube. So that's Charlie, or Charles White Jr. So he is better known online as Penguin Z0, also known as Critical, Big Moist, or MoistCr1tikal. So he's an American YouTube commentator. Let's have a look at this game. So E4 from xQc. We have E5, Knight F3, pretty standard classical stuff from both sides at the moment. Knight C6. We have D4, the Scotch Game. Garry Kasparov was popularising the Scotch Game when he came back from retirement. He played a series of Blitz and Rapid and actually got my interest up in the Scotch Game as well as many others. So it's very, very trendy nowadays. The traditional alternatives have been Bishop B5, the Royal Pez, or Spanish Game, or the Italian Game. So the Scotch Game, very, very novel from xQc. E takes, Knight takes. We have Bishop C5, so asking that Knight what's going to be done. The most common move here is actually to protect the Knight with Bishop E3. Another one is Knight takes C6, or putting the Knight back on B3 to hit the Bishop. These are the three most common, it seems. There's also Knight F5 or C3. Here we see C3. So this is the fifth most popular move traditionally. In fact, if we just for a moment look at the main line for those interested, though, Bishop E3, Queen F6, C3. You can see this is the main line, which many games follow like this. But anyway, let's go back. So C3, just supporting the Knight. Black now plays Queen F6, which is actually the most popular move here. It does put a lot more pressure on D4. It's a bit uncomfortable for White. And here, it was a good idea to support that Knight, for example, with Bishop E3, so transposing back. But guess what White played? I wonder if you can guess it. For 500 points, if you want to pause the video. 10 seconds. White's play here. Yeah, White played Knight takes C6, maybe expecting a recapture, but there's a slight flaw in the ointment here. Can you spot it? What does Black play here? Does Black have to automatically recapture? No, Black's got a killer common square, what I'd call a killer common square of F2. And in fact, the Queen and Bishop cooperating on F2 means Queen takes F2 is the stronger one. That is checkmate. Yeah, a quick knockout blow. So this game has been spreading like wildfire. I thought I'd kind of mention it. I think there's a new generation of chess players coming into the game from Twitch. I hope this is a new golden era of chess, and it's just very, very interesting what is going to happen to the game. I think in this new Twitch kind of more lockdown era, chess it seems to be all the rage right now. So congratulations to Nakamura and the online organisers, ChessCon, for organising these events as well. And I hope more online sites do that as well to encourage these major Twitch personalities. And I think everyone will gain. in the end, chess becoming more popular is really a fantastic thing. It really deserves to become more popular. It's got a rich history and culture to it, and it's been described as the gymnasium of the mind, chess. So brilliant game. I hope more people come and play it. I hope you enjoyed this. Comments, questions, likes, shares, subscribes, all appreciated. Thanks very much.